just like your new catchphrase.
I like it. It's passionate.
What are you making there, Cora?
I need to pull my nose.
Porno.
No.
You're sick. You're perverted.
How?
Can that camera see my face right now? That's amazing. Like, I thought I was pointing at my sandwich, so I'm like, okay, I won't see my face.
No, I was pointing at your sandwich.
Oh, okay.
Did you let shrimp go in the fridge?
I already told you.
No, tell me again.
You want me to go through that damn story again?
Yeah, please do. I wasn't paying attention. My bad.
That's really rude.
I know, I'm sorry. Well,
That's okay. I know you.
Rude.
I know how Jess is.
Oh, that is so offensive.
I really want to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Girl.
Can I have a healthy snack? Yay!
That was adorable.
She's trying to control what I eat.
This is so...
Because she feels
kind of
unhealthy,
healthy-
so she wants to like take me down with her.
Oh, you're mean.
How am I
It's
gonna...
not, I don't hate it. I'm just saying.
This is good. No.
Healthy snack.
Like it's easier for you to make me eat healthy with you than to just eat healthy by yourself. That's when I'm like, man, I want Cheez-Its and cream cheese, which I really, really, really do.
No.
I've never tried that before.
Jess!
No.
We have to. She's never tried it.
Okay, whatever.
Just this once.
I'm just telling you for the record, I told us we shouldn't eat, so, you know. Wow, your sandwich looks good. Your sandwich looks good.
Okay, why are we doing this, guys?
Oh, she's a determined little one. She is.
You look cute. You look cute.
It scared her.
I don't think so. Uh-oh, my mouth is sounding like that thing.
You're really retarded.
Shut the fuck up.
Falling out the bottom.
No. Do you want to know why?
Why? Why?
There's this one list.
Oh,
It's a vice's bulletin. And there's this question it asks. It asks, what do you always put in the fridge?
Level 4, level 4, level 4.
You know what doesn't go on that list? Peanut butter! And that is why my sandwich was destroyed.
Only peanut butter?
And jelly.
You should have made it in a pita bread.
I don't have any.
Oh, that's
That
not.
would be the same.
Mm-mm.
I don't know.
Dump it in 5.
No.
Cool. You gonna dip that in your water like you did with your spoon? Oh.
I just remembered why I made peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Why?
M&M tastes like peanut butter and jelly.
Oh,
Stamps
right. I
here.
forgot about that. How do M&M's taste like peanut butter and jelly when they're chocolate?
They had a peanut in it.
Good point. Oh my god. I was like, oh.
You're a crazy person.
Yeah.
That's obvious.
I like it.
You are licking your hand while you eat that sandwich. You're like,
The jelly was on it.
wow, you're doing two things at once.
And
Picking
you know
up-
what? I'm gonna drink this peanut water. Peanut butter water.
There you go, Jessica.
Oh. Uh-oh. Okay.
I think your face was like. It's you.
Oh.
So good. Oh my god. Why aren't you recording that? I think this is the most delicious thing I've ever eaten.
Eaten? Oh, I don't
That's what
remember
I
any of
people
this
say.
happening.
I know.
When did I get my camera? Ew.
What is she singing?
Huh?
Paper.
Are you sure? Maybe she's
know.
like opera.
She's in choir.
Quiet. It's totally her.
Probably.
Nothing's happening.
I thought I heard it.
You're inventing things with your head.
Okay, wait. Hold
Ow, what is my head?
Wait, okay, let's all be quiet.
Uh-uh.
Let's see if we can hear it again.
No.
God, it's so nice.
It's not that important.
I want to know if it was her or not.
No, it wasn't Rachel?
We can never hear them when we're over here because of the wall. We can only hear through the bathroom.
Yeah, I hate that shit. It's a bitch.
Or when we heard Ben having an orgasm.
Hey, a hose.
That was like the funniest thing ever. Because that woman sounded like a man. Guys, I need to wash my hands. That didn't work. You think that's funny, right?
Uh-huh.
That's cool.
You're weird.
Hi, Callie. You're cute. Okay.
No.
Okay. Uh-huh. You're welcome. No problem.
I
Let's
really
not be
want
stressed.
Jesus with cream
What?
cheese.
She really wants them.
Guys,
I have
it
to.
sounds so good.
It's really good, and I like introducing it to people.
I just totally fell in this jam, but I didn't fall. It was a lot faster than I expected. I just want to eat that jelly.
I'm gonna do it. I'm sorry, Jess.
Don't. Oh no. Knock over water. You knocked over my guitar already.
No, I didn't. Well, I feel like I'm really going out on a limb for you right now.
It's because you love her.
Not you, her.
I know.
You.
Oh. They're talking about Jess. It doesn't make sense now that I think about it.
Jess, stay there.
Uh-oh. I'm not going anywhere. Don't worry.
Oh, good fish. Why are you there?
Oh my god, we could play Scrabble.
No.
No, you can't.
Catherine, Jesus.
No.
Says so on
I
the
wish
box.
you would come closer to me instead of me coming closer to you.
Oh.
I went halfway for you. You have to come.
We can do it like this.
Okay.
We can roll. Okay, wait. Okay.
No, I
Make
don't want
this-
that. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that.
Whoa.
I thought I picked up letters F-U-N and I was like, what F-U-N?
I can't keep my foot straight.
Or huff.
Or oof. No.
Kind of.
Oh my god, you're right. I was thinking O-F-H. And that's why I said oof. Or whatever the fuck I said.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't either. The end. I was talking about your Cheez-Its.
That was really good. I'll hand them to you in a second.
You should have videotaped that. Thank you, ma'am. First time to eat a few by themselves.
Try it with cream cheese.
We shouldn't be eating that.
What?
We should not be eating that, I don't think.
Stop.
We always finish the whole box.
Just let loose a little bit. Have some fun. I feel like we've been trying to eat healthy for a couple of days.
This is amazing.
And we don't do that like every day like we used to.
Do what?
Eat tons of Cheez-Its and cream cheese.
Your eyes are so red.
Like the devil's dick.
Exactly.
Cool.
I really like that. When I saw it the first time, I laughed so hard.
I really wish I was eating that with you.
Take this hose.
I don't want that.
Hot.
That's not eating. Why does this stupid door always hit the ground? We sell Jello and pudding. That sounds really good. No talkie. Jesse.
Go ahead, eat whatever you want.
Do not point that at
I'm not, it's not. Ew. She's out of control.
Cora is like a little like hammy. I like to be in the camera person, you know?
Yeah, she's a good
Sometimes.
star.
No, you are right now. So it's like, I don't want to be in the camera. Just point at Cora.
But I remember